Hi, Kev coming from the garden. I just want to give you a bit of an update because I haven't really done many garden updates or specifically plants since we moved to the island 7 months ago now. It's gone so quickly, we've been so busy with the house. But just want to sort of show you briefly what we've been doing here. Kind of almost happy with this. You know, we've got the height from the tree ferns. Beautiful, beautiful Montballardii and Seti Montballardii. Winston helping obviously in the garden. Bit of a bromelae, Colocasia, Alocasia. Cycassas, all different things. Musa Tani just there is starting to do her thing. She actually got the strangles right up in the pseudo stem, so I had to get Steve to do a bit of surgery on that, but that's now popped out a new leaf, which is good, so it's working. And then we come down, we've got our dahlias. The people that my gardening friends of the world will know how much I love my dahlias. Beautiful dahlias with contrast. Horseradish. Who would think about putting horseradish in your tropical border? Well, why not? Look, two different varieties and they work so well and it's fantastic. Not only that, but we've got rhubarb for the shape. You can enjoy the shape, and then of course you can then make some rhubarb pies and then do your horseradish for your beef and your whatever you want to do. Texture, we've got Seraphim Migillaris. We had a friend, Simon, stay last week. He helped me move this into position. Popping out a new crosier, which is lovely. And then we go on to the sort of what we call the cactus. So we've kind of gone from jungle to cactus, jungle to desert maybe. And then we're working along the pool, as you can see, is all finished. We've got our infinity, and then the wild flower bed, which is just going to be stunning for next year. But mostly, let me just show you this. I'll come around here. Look at the texture of this. So we've got beautiful purple sweet potato with colocassias. We've actually got diamond head in here and burgundy stem. Let's look at it. Really, really works well together. But the main reason for doing this video, about 8 years ago, I was very fortunate of getting a small pup of a blue amaryllis. Amaryllis, it's Walzea, and it's incredibly rare plant, only found in Brazil, other parts of the world now because we're all growing them, but still incredibly rare. I've been nursing this plant for years and years and years, and literally just before this video, just doing my deadheading and thinking, oh, there's some leaves that needs to come off, and what do I find? Sorry, Sam. It's very exciting. It's not open yet, but I'll do another video to actually show you when it's in bloom. But Walzea, look at this. Beautiful, beautiful. Literally, I didn't notice it last night, and it's obviously just popped out. I've done a spelling mistake on there, but that's my tribute to Pete. He actually spelt it wrong, but I don't want to change it because it's funny. But look at that. Isn't it absolutely stunning? So, planty friends of the world, happy. People that are not so much into plants, Google it and you'll see how exciting it is. But I'll give you an update. All for now. This is Kev, coming from the garden on the beautiful Fraggle Rock, aka Madeira. Ciao.